I love morning hugs with you. Mom is cooking. It smells so good.
Pancakes are almost ready. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, Daddy. I am very hungry.
Good morning, Princess. Come here and sit down.
Hello, Anna. Do you want 3 or 4 pancakes?
4, please. I want a big breakfast today. I am a zombie. I need pancakes to wake up. Wake up, Peter. Don't be a lazy bone. Wow. Look at the syrup. It looks like a river.
Careful, Peter. Don't make a mess.
Peter, use your fork, please. Be a good boy.
But hands are faster, Daddy. Wait. Did you hear that? Shh. Everyone, be quiet. Is it a monster?
Is it an alien in our garden?
No, listen. It is a meow. There is a cat outside. Hello? Kitty? Are you there? I hear it again. It is behind that big box. Look! A tiny white kitten. He is so scared. He is so white like snow. Can I touch him? Be gentle, Peter. He is very small. He's so tiny. I will call him Snowy.
Oh my. Where did it come from? It is so small.
It looks lost. Maybe it doesn't have a home.
Can we keep him, Dad? Please. He is cold and hungry.
A pet is a big responsibility, Anna. You must feed him.
I promise. I will give him milk and a warm bed. Yes, super Snowy. He can be my soccer partner.
A kitten playing soccer?
That is a funny dream, Peter.
Okay, he can stay for now. But we need to buy things for Cat.
Thank you, Dad. Hear that, Snowy? You have a home. Let's go to the pet shop now. I want to buy a ball. But Snowy is hungry too. Does he like pancakes?
No, Anna. Cats don't eat pancakes. They like cat food.
Can I give him some of my milk? Look, he is thirsty.
Just a little, Peter. Put it in a small bowl.
Look, he is drinking it. He likes it very much. He is so cute when he drinks. His nose is moving.
Okay, kids. Go and get dressed. We are going out soon.
Come on, Peter. Let's wear our best clothes for Snowy. I will wear my lucky hat. Wait for me. Peter, don't forget to brush your teeth. I know. You are not my teacher, Anna.
David, should we bring the old cat carrier?
Yes, it is in the garage. I will find it now.
Snowy, wait for me here. Be a good kitten. Mom, where is my blue soccer shirt?
It is in your closet, Peter. Look behind your hats.
Mom, can I wear my new floral dress?
Of course, Anna. It is a special day for Snowy.
I found it. But it is very dusty.
Please clean it, David. Snowy is a clean kitten.
Snowy has white fur. He must stay white. I am ready. Look at my lucky hat. You look funny, Peter. Your hat is backward. It is cool. All soccer players do that.
Is everyone ready? The car is waiting.
Hurry up, kids. The pet shop closes at noon.
Okay. Let's go and buy everything for Snowy.